GemCloud makes your life easier. Are you looking for a business management solution? GemCloud is the business management solution for gemstone traders. GemCloud helps you to oversee and manage your business in real time. Access your inventory from anywhere. Share interactive quotations with your customers in just a few clicks. And reach global demand with the GemCloud-powered marketplaces. GemCloud security features protect your business. GemCloud integrates multiple security features, including dual-factor authentication, multi-users with different level of access, multi-layers of access control, data confidentiality, with all the data being encrypted, using the encryption method, AES-256. Your whole business in just one look. GemCloud Dashboard shows you all the analytics of your business, including your sales this week, all the gemstones that have been added during the week, all the invoices that are due for payment, all the memos that are due for return, and all the pending orders from the GemCloud marketplaces. Your total sales, which you can screen monthly, weekly, or daily. Scroll down to visualize your sales and inventory statistics. The relevant information for each is shown in a pie chart format segmented by gemstone type. Here is how to upload your inventory in GemCloud. You can upload your inventory in GemCloud in 3 different ways. By adding gemstones one by one, by adding gemstones with similar information in bulk, or simply by adding large portions of your inventory from an Excel sheet. Once your gemstones have been added into the system, you are able to print barcoded stickers for each item. The way the gemstones information is displayed on the stickers is entirely customizable by you. GemCloud makes it easy for you to screen your inventory. Type what you are looking for into the GemCloud search bar. Here, for example, a pear-shaped sapphire from Sri Lanka, and click Enter. The system then shows you all the pear-shaped sapphires from Sri Lanka that are in your inventory. To see more information about a specific item, click on View Detail, where you have the entire overview of all the information added for each individual item, including visuals. For an advanced search, go to the Advanced Search section. There, you will be able to screen your inventory simultaneously with more advanced parameters, such as color, shape, origin, partners, size range, etc. For example here, color changes sapphire, and sapphire of greenish-blue color from Laos. And then click on Search. Keep track of your inventory history with GemCloud. Go to the View Detail of specific item to see its past history. GemCloud then shows you information relative to this specific gemstone. Here, for example, a faceted ruby, weighing 2.3 carat, from Mozambique, reference R1570, which was created in the system on the 23rd of July 2020. Click on View Stones Detail, next to Transformed Parent Stone, to find its past history. The system is now showing you that this gemstones was cut from a rough ruby parcel, and weighing 529.8 grams, from Mozambique, and bought on the 17th of July, 2020. Now, if you click on the button Transformed, the system will show you a high-level summary of all the gemstones separated from this initial rough parcel. On the top section are the details of the initial rough parcel. In the middle are the details of splitting and weight loss during the cutting process. And at the bottom are the details of each single gemstones separated from this initial parcel of rough. Upload key documents into each gemstone. Within a gemstone details, you can attach documents, such as gemstones images, by clicking here. Gemstone certificate, by clicking here, and then add the certificate details here. If you scroll down here, you can add a video link from your Vimeo or YouTube account. If you do not have a gemological certificate, photos, and 360 video? Let us help you. You can send your gemstones to one of GemCloud authorized laboratories to have your e-certificates, photos, and videos automatically synced to your GemCloud interface. Contact us for more information. Reach your clients anywhere in the world in just a few clicks. With GemCloud Signature Sales Tool, click on Create a List. Scan your selected gemstones barcodes. Your gemstones list is automatically created. Adjust the selling price for this specific quotation only. Click here to generate an interactive quotation that will be live and accessible for 7 days. Copy the URL link and send it to your customer via email. The client can access the mini website by clicking on the link. He can then access the details of each item, including the selling price you have entered on quotation, and the visuals. GemCloud accounting feature helps you gain time. From a memo, select an item in order to convert it into an invoice in one click. While on the invoice, select a customer or create a new one into the integrated CRM. Choose your payment terms and click Save. Your invoice gets recorded in the relevant section, either unpaid, partially paid, paid, draft, or void. The system will generate automatic reminder notifications for the memos, which are due for return, and the invoices, which are due for payment. GemCloud sells your gemstones while you sleep. Once a gemstone has been verified through a GemCloud's authorized laboratory, GemCloud enables you to sync this gemstone into its marketplaces. By clicking on the icon here, you can publish your item in real time to the marketplaces. And you can unpublish by simply clicking again on the icon. Once an item is sold, we ship it for you, and we pay you on our agreed payment terms. Please contact us for more information.